Hi everyone, I'm Pratiksha Gawal and I cleared CB2 exam in April 2024 with the help of Taj Institute. They helped me in getting confidence to write an exam after a very long time. Initially, I was doubtful whether I have lost the practice of studying, but they helped me in drafting or crafting my study time along with the demanding job. Not only that, I'm very grateful to Silky for her support and guidance in how to prepare for an exam. And whenever I used to, lose hope and confidence, she used to help me. Also, her descriptive video classes were quite helpful in preparing really quickly. So initially, I thought that it's very difficult to clear exam and study for it, but regularly viewing the videos helped me a lot in preparing. Not only that, I would say the whole Taj faculty is very helpful, very approachable, and even I'm also writing my next exam with them. So my suggestion would be, in case you are stuck and lose confidence, then their guidance is quite helpful. Thank you.